And we begin with promising news on the pandemic with 2 possible COVID vaccines on the horizon. Central Valley counties are gearing up on the storage, the state estimating that the first shipment for the valley could come in mid to late December. Our Medeiros Bab joining us live at the health department. And Medeiros, how many vaccine doses could we get if it's approved by the federal government?
Stephanie, the Fresno Health Department has the ability to house around 100,000 of those Pfizer vaccine doses and around 20,000 of the Moderna vaccine doses. That would be enough for around 60,000 people, all of which will go to healthcare workers.
The entire world facing COVID, everyone's standing with their hand in the air, ready for vaccination.
With encouraging early results from both Pfizer and Moderna on a COVID-19 vaccine trial, Central Valley hospitals and health departments making sure that they have equipment to store them. The Pfizer vaccine has to be kept at -70 degrees Celsius and Moderna at -20 degrees Celsius.
Both of those vaccines need cold storage. The Pfizer vaccine needs super cold storage, and we're looking at investing in freezers that will have the maximum temperature for that. They also send it in containers that have dry ice that you can recharge.
Once a vaccine is approved, the state decides how many doses will be sent to the counties based on population and storage. Fresno County has the capacity to store 120,000 vaccines. Each person needs 2, meaning it's enough for 60,000 people. Madera and Tulare County have also been purchasing ultra-cold freezers, but it's unclear the county's capacity. Kauai Delta Director of Pharmacy James McNulty says even with the first shipment, most likely not all healthcare workers will get the vaccine.
Likely we would triage that based on the folks that are most at highest risk first would get it first, right? So your emergency room providers would get that, potentially folks that are managing COVID patients on the floors. So it would vary.
And just speaking about when we expect this first shipment, the health department saying that they do expect it in December, but again, that is only an estimate and if everything goes according to plan. And when speaking with officials, they said there are around 58,000 at-risk healthcare workers, which are in that initial phase. That doesn't cover all of the healthcare workers in the county, so that will be coming in through several shipments, meaning it will be quite some time before anyone can get the vaccine. Reporting live from downtown, Medeiros Bab, KC24, local news that matters.